Hey there, take a look at this. I've got a box, and not just any box. It's a box of treasures that just arrived a few days from the US. If you're living overseas like I am, or you're thinking about becoming an expat, just miss some of your favorite things from home. No, don't get me wrong. Indonesia has plenty of amazing stuff. And I mentioned in a previous video that since living in Indonesia, I've realized that I don't need as much to make myself happy. But sometimes the candy, yes, I have a real weakness for candy, and a particular candy for sure. And sure, Indonesia has candy, but not my favorites. And getting my favorite brand of jeans? Well, I think you get the idea now. Some of the items in this shipment technically exist here, but they're just not quite what I'm used to. I'll explain when I take everything out of the box to show you. And some items, totally impossible to find here. So every once in a while, I place a little online care package order from me to me. I use a service called myus.com. And no, this video is not sponsored by them. I've been using them for years, and it makes getting my Amazon orders from the US to Indonesia pretty simple. I have a suite number at my US warehouse, so whenever I order from Amazon or just another US store, I just have it sent to my suite at my US. They then notify me when they arrive and then hold everything until I'm ready to give it the go for shipping to me here in Indonesia. Yes, I have to pay for international shipping and Indonesian customs, but whenever I get one of these care packages, I'm totally excited. So in today's video, I thought I'd take you through the unboxing and show you what I ordered this time, why I wanted it, why I can't get it here, or why I prefer this particular brand. Let's open it up together and I'll walk you through my little expat stash. Okay, I'm starting to take things out of my little box. And the first thing is McCormick dark chili powder. You know, I love chili, and I make it here with the help of my helper. Sunny is her name. And I have always brought chili powder, McCormick's chili powder from the States. But I ran out. And last time I made chili with a local powder, and I have to tell you, it just didn't taste the same. So I said that's the first thing that's going on my list of things I order from Amazon to get here. So that was one thing. And I have a friend in California who is a great cook. And she told me about this stuff called tajin. And it's a chili powder as well, but different. And it has lime in it. You probably know about it already. If you live in the States and do any cooking, everybody seems to love this right now. So I decided I'd give it a try. My friend in California who cooks, you can believe whatever she says. So about cooking anyhow. So I ordered that along with my chili powder. And then, oh yes, my favorite candy, Brock's candy corn. And other candy corn just doesn't taste the same. And so I ordered 2 bags of this, and I'll ration it out over as long as I can. But I love it. Okay, what else have I got in here? Okay, I got a tripod. Now, we have tripods here in Indonesia. I do not need to order a tripod from the States, but I was watching one of the guys who I admire most about doing YouTube videos, and he was using this tripod, and there were several things about it. I'm not going to go into that here because you don't care about that. But the one thing you might care about is it had a remote, and I can set my tripod up somewhere, and I can use this remote to start and stop the video. So, but it has other special things that are very special to me that you won't even care about. So I got that. And then what else have I got in here? Oh, yes. I do artwork, you know. I do pet portraits. I do abstract landscapes, but I also do collages. And so I got some very special burlap ribbons. If burlap can be a ribbon, these are it. And so I got a bunch of these to use in my art. So that's that. And yes, I got myself 3 tubes of cinnamon rush, Crest cinnamon rush toothpaste, because I'm very allergic to mint. And just about all toothpaste has mint in it. And so I've been using this very toothpaste for years, cannot get it here. So I ordered 3, and those will last me for a while. So that's good. Oh, and yes, I got a back for my iPhone. And yes, we have iPhones here. And in fact, my iPhone is from Indonesia. And we have cases for iPhones. But this kind that has the magnetic circle on the back, to get it here is very expensive. And this was much less expensive. And if I just threw it in, it wasn't going to cost, it wouldn't add much to the shipping cost, if anything. So that was a cheaper way for me to get that. Then here's something else I use in my art. This is a kind of tape that when I'm working on heavy art paper, I like to tape that paper down onto a heavier thing, a piece of wood or something. And this particular kind of tape is for delicate surfaces. And it doesn't tear the paper. When I finish the art project and I tear this off, it doesn't tear the heavy art paper. Masking tape is okay, but it sometimes tears the paper. And of course, I could solve that problem just by using a blow dryer on the tape before pulling it off. But since I was making an order from Amazon, having it sent here, I said I'll get myself another of that tape. So, and then I got some Carnation Breakfast Essentials. There's 22 in this box. And, you know, when I had my dental work done, and that extraction pulled, and my bridge fell out. I don't know if you saw my dental video that I made, swollen up a little bit from having a tooth extracted. So, and those I have used in the past also. And then I got a pair of my favorite jeans. I know which brand to buy and what size, so I know I can always buy those and not have to worry about them. But, and what, oh yes, here's a fun thing. This, you'll never guess what, maybe some of you would guess, I don't know. But this is something that is magnetized, it has a magnet on it, and when you're sewing, you can put this down and it keeps your seam straight. So you put it down right next to your needle and then you sew along it. And I'll see if I can make a demo of that. Very brief demo to show you. So I thought those were very clever. So here's this cute little gizmo that I came across on Amazon. I don't know why Amazon presented it to me. I'm not a sewer, and I never knew, I do sew sometimes. And I never knew one of these little gizmos existed. But I thought when I saw it and it was not expensive, I thought, well, isn't that cute? And wouldn't that be handy to keep my sewing lines all straight? So I've got my blue jeans in there. I have folded the hem under 2 times so that I have a good thing. And now it's all lined up exactly where I want it. So now I'm going to snap this into place. And that keeps it right in line. So here I go. Now, of course, on these hems, it's not really a big deal. It's pretty easy to keep them lined up. But just think if I had something more difficult that I wanted straight lines on. So I think this little gizmo with the magnet on it is perfect. Thanks. Hope you like it. Okay, that's it. My shipment of comfort, nostalgia, and practicality all packed into one lovely brown box. Some of these things might seem small, like who gets this excited about toothpaste, right? Well, this girl does. Because when you're living far from home, it's the little familiar things that can make your day feel just a little bit easier. I always say expat life is a blend of embracing your new home while holding on to a few pieces of the old one that still matter. And for me, that means getting a few special things shipped from the US now and then. Not very often, let me tell you. If you're living abroad too, let me know. What do you miss from back home? What's in your must ship box? I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this peek into my expat life. See you next time. Bye.